Good morning, students. Today I will teach you fifth chapter of English, and the name of the chapter is Footprints Without Feet. So, before teaching you the chapter, I want to tell you the summary of the chapter. This chapter is about a scientist named Griffin. He discovered a rare drug which could make a human body transparent. So he misused his discovery, by stealing money from the store and by misguiding people. One day, his landlord expelled him from the house, and Griffin started walking on the streets of London. He had no option. Unfortunately, the weather was not pleasant. ठंड का मौसम था, so that's why he need he required a place to just get some warmth, or to just cover his body. So when he was walking, so we could see the footprints, like these are the such type of the foot impressions were visible on the street. Two boys were watching these type of foot impressions. They were surprised. अब वे सरप्राइज क्यों थे? बिकॉज द पर्सन वॉज नॉट विजिबल, बट द फुट इम्प्रेशंस वर विजिबल. तो एट लास्ट these foot impressions were invisible. It means completely unclear. Griffin entered a London store to get some warm clothes. Unfortunately, he did not wake up until the employee come on the next day. He enjoyed cold meat and coffee in the store. Next day, he was chased by the employees. अब ग्रिफिन वहाँ स्टोर से भाग गया. Then Griffin thought that I should get a place, isolated place where I can spend some time peacefully. जहाँ मैं कुछ अपना टाइम पीसफुली स्पेंड कर सकूँ, जहाँ मैं अपना कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट कैरी आउट कर सकूँ. So he did his experiment at village Iping. Iping is a village where he took shelter. Especially he booked 2 rooms in a hotel named Coach and Horses. This is the name of the hotel, and the owner of the hotel were Mr. and Mrs. Hall. At last, a policeman was called by Mrs. Hall, the owner of the hotel. But unfortunately, Griffin escaped by giving blows to the policeman, and Mrs. Hall was also surprised to see bandage over the face of Griffin. Okay, so this is the brief summary. So without wasting time, let us discuss the chapter Footprints Without Feet. Okay, footprints means the impressions, foot impressions without visible person. Can a man become invisible? Can a person become invisible? This is the story of a scientist who discovers means who just invents, who invented. So this is the story of a scientist who just invented how to make himself invisible. Does he use or misuse his discovery? So did he use his discovery for the betterment of the people or not? लोगों की भलाई के लिए उसने इसको यूज़ किया या नहीं किया? We will discuss in the chapter. The two boys started in surprise at the fresh muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. So muddy means dirty, imprints means foot impression. Two boys were surprised to see the dirty, muddy, dirty foot impressions, to see the pair of dirty foot impressions on the street in London. What was a barefooted man doing on the steps of a house in the middle of London? Now the boys were quite surprised कि what was the barefooted? Barefooted means a person who is not wearing chappals or shoes. Okay, shoeless chappal, shoeless person. So the person who was not wearing chappals or shoes, what was he doing on the steps? Okay, what was he doing on the steps of the house in the middle of the London? And where was the man? So where was the man? The boys were surprised to see that there were some foot impressions, लेकिन वो आदमी कहाँ था? That's why the boys were surprised. As they gazed, gaze means watching seriously. When they were watching the foot impressions seriously, a remarkable means very interesting sight met their eyes. It means they noticed very interesting sight. Remarkable means very interesting. Sight means scene. They just noticed an interesting scene. A fresh footmark. Footmark means foot impression. Appeared from nowhere. It means again they found a fresh footmark, foot impression. उन्होंने दोबारा से फिर देखा एक फ्रेश फुट इम्प्रेशन वहाँ पर. अब वो कहाँ से आ रहा था फुट इम्प्रेशन? दे वर नॉट एबल टू डिसाइड. दे वर सरप्राइज्ड. फर्दर footprints followed one after another. It means again foot impressions were visible descending the steps, okay, coming down the steps and progressing down the street. So narrator said that कि जो foot impression थे वे सीढ़ियों के नीचे बन रहे थे और आगे की तरफ बन रहे थे. ठीक है, तो foot impressions, it means foot impressions were become visible down the streets. The boys followed fascinated until the muddy. So what do you mean by fascinated? Means surprised. The boys were quite surprised until the muddy impressions became fainter and fainter. Fainter and fainter means unclear. Okay, so until the foot impressions become unclear, hazy, धुंधले से न पड़ गए. The boys were surprised and was really simple enough. Okay, and at last disappeared. At last the foot impressions were disappeared. It means they were not able to see where the foot impression had gone. It means completely invisible.